Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we have to discuss some few points how to execute your program in Python. See, first here we will discuss about assignment operator. Okay, here assignment operators means this is equal symbol. Here we are calling as assignment operator. Okay, see in Python actually basically in mathematics regularly we are using is equal symbol. That is equal symbol is represents the assigning value to another one. Okay, likewise here also same. Okay, here equal means both are equal. Regularly both are equal we are saying. Okay, here doesn't mean that. Okay, here equal symbol means that doesn't mean that. Here equal symbol means one particular value assigning to the variable. Okay, one particular value assigning to the variable. That assigning purpose we are using this symbol in Python. Okay, see this is equal symbol. Okay, this is equal symbol in Python we are calling as assignment operator. Okay, okay, assignment operator in Python is equal symbol. Okay, this is equal symbol we are calling as assignment operator. Okay, see for this assignment operator we are using assigning a value to the variable. Okay, assigning a value to the variable, that purpose we are using. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then after see next sequence of instructions. Okay, sequence of instructions means some so many instructions are there here. What see we will see it. Okay, see first program. Okay, a program is a sequence of instructions giving to the computer. Okay, in first video we discussed. Okay, the set of instructions giving to the hardware is called software, we told in first video. Likewise, the instructions we have to arrange in some particular sequence. Okay, that particular sequence here we are calling as program. Okay, that particular sequence we are calling as program. The program is also executes based on the sequence. Okay, in Python programming is also okay in program in editor in editing platform. The lines will execute based on the instructions. Okay, based on the will execute based on the instructions. See, that's why. Okay, next um defining a variable. Okay, defining a variables already we discussed in previous class. What are variables, what are values? Okay, what are data types, how many data types are there? Okay, these are all topics we already we discussed in previous video. Okay, in this video see the variable gets created when you assigning a value it's for the first time. Okay, first we have assigned one value to the variable. Okay, that's here we were discussing first whatever value we assigning to the variable. Okay, first value, then after later it will change. Okay, now first value whatever assigning to the variable. Next printing the variable. See for an example, see one example. Already see here, suppose here I am giving one variable. This is the first name. Okay, name. Okay, name is a variable name. See my name is Ashok. Okay, my name is Ashok. See print name. Okay, this is the here Ashok is a value. Here this Ashok value assigned to the variable. Here the variable name is what? The variable name is name. Okay, variable name is name. Okay, little bit confusion will come. I will change. Okay, I will change it. First see suppose a, capital A. Here capital A is called variable. Okay, capital A is called variable. See here also I will change variable now. Here A is the variable. Okay, here A is the variable. Now print it. The output will come Ashok. The output will come Ashok. See, this is the Ashok is the first value. Here Ashok is the first value assigning to the variable A. Okay, variable. Suppose later you if you want change it. Okay, now A is equal some Kishore. Okay, now the output will print Kishore. The output will print. Earlier it will change. Okay, for the first initial value is Ashok. Okay, first initial value is Ashok. The see next. Okay, see printing a value in variable. Already I told you printing a value in variable. The value means here already told, right? Here a is equal to 10. Likewise, okay, suppose we will see in the platform also. See suppose here a is Okay, age is equal to 10 I am giving. Okay, age is equal to 10 I am giving. Now print age. Now print age. The output will print 10. Okay, the output will print 10. Okay, next see. See, order of instructions. Okay, order of instructions. See, in Python will execute line by line. Okay, the Python code will execute line by line. Here, see, age is equal to 10. Okay, first here age is equal to 10. Next, the second line is print age. Here, first the editor read age is equal to 10 first, then after the second line. Okay, suppose here I change the order of. Okay, here I change the order, error will generate. See, error will generate. See here, see likewise the naming error. Why? Because here the printing is whatever. See, whatever function is there, print is there. This is the default function print. Okay, in print whatever we have age is there, but age is not defined. Okay, here first it read print, then after it read age. Okay, this is not, this is the this is not a proper order. Okay, this is not a proper order. Now see, now age is 10 will print. Okay, that here this is the way of. Okay, this is the way of the Python code will read line by line. Okay, because this is the order. Okay, this is the order. Next, spacing in Python. Okay, next, spacing in Python, have spaces at the beginning of the line. Okay, having spaces in beginning of the line. See here, having some spaces beginning of the line. Okay, see, that's default. Yeah, it will, yeah, it is, it's default. Okay, next, variable assignment. Already variable assignment, everything, this point already we discussed. Variables means the variables will continuously change. If you want, change the value in the variable. Okay, if you want value here, see, for an example, first the initial value a is equal to 1, later it will change it to a is equal to 2, print a. Okay, next, expressions means already a into b, a plus b. These all we are called whatever operations we are applying to the given, uh, uh, whatever operations we are giving to the variables, those we are called as expressions. Like for an example, a plus b is an one expression, a plus 2 is an expression. Okay, a plus b plus c is an expression. In mathematics we read that. Okay, but in see here, when we are doing operations. Okay, in operations, basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, this type of operators are there. Okay, see, when these all operators we are applying in one problem, how it will execute. Okay, which operator, which operation will execute first. Okay, that's why here the one more concept is there, that is BODMAS rule. Okay, that is BODMAS rule. See here, BODMAS rules means every letter will indicates one operation. Okay, every letter is indicates one operation. The first preference. Okay, it's standard order for evaluating an expression. See, okay, we will see the so many examples in future classes. First, the basic concept. Okay, actually, so many are thinking for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These four operators only think in math students also. Okay, but brackets and order, here order means power. Okay, see here, first the first preference goes to brackets. Whatever brackets we are apply, whatever brackets we have in that problem, whatever operation, okay, that is addition, multiplication, whatever may be, whatever operation include in between the brackets. Okay, including in between the brackets, that operation will execute first. Okay, first preference goes to brackets, and second preference goes to order means power here. Okay, it will discuss later, maybe rarely it will come. Okay, but actually main brackets, then after power, then after first division. Okay, so many members is also, the so many members are also having confusion. The in BODMAS, the first preference goes to multiplication or division. Okay, see here, the first preference goes to division, and the next preference goes to multiplication. Okay, first preference goes to division, and the next preference goes to multiplication, then next preference goes to addition, and the last preference goes to subtraction. Okay, this is the way of order, the way of order doing, doing problems in maths. Okay, the all operators in one problem is there. At that situation, this is the way of order to execute that problem. Okay, see, suppose here I'll see one problem. Okay, here I'll see one problem. See here, suppose a is equal to, okay, here see one example. Suppose one problem is there, 5 into, okay, 5 into 7, 5 into 7 plus 3, okay, plus 3 minus 8 minus 4, okay, division 4, uh, plus, I am giving randomly, plus 3 into 3 plus 8 by 2. Okay, see here, okay, see here, how it will execute. Just print, print a. See what will happen, I don't know. 44.0, okay, for 44.0 came. Okay, the here it first executed brackets. Okay, see here, here I gave this problem 5 into 7. First it executed this one. First it executed this brackets, whatever brackets. Then after this operation, next it executed this operation 8 by 4. Okay, next these two executed simultaneously. Then after 5 into 7. Then after, okay, 5 into 7 after operations plus symbol. Then after minus symbol. Okay, the execution have happened like this. Okay, the execution happened like this, but it's inside, we can't visible. This is the way of operations doing in Python, friends. This is the BODMAS rule. Okay, next, that's it for today, guys. Okay, next we'll discuss about the strings. Okay, we will discuss about the strings, and then after we will do problems. I think from next class onwards we will do problems. That's it for today, friends. Thank you so much.